Hi there. I'm your smart assistant for the Desktop Health Check Apple Mac Pro. My name is Clara. Your desktop successfully scanned, and we require to clean your desktop for more good performance. Tap Next button to start cleaning. First, you may need to have the right toolkits, which are big brush size 24 cm and small brush size 20.5 cm. Second, you need to unlock the tab to open the casing. And now, please remove the casing carefully, and place it the arrow showing. And the next step, please remove the hard disk slowly from the desktop. Now, pick up the correct toolkit, which big brush size 24 cm, and use the brush to clean the hard disk, with soften the dirt. Put back the toolkit, and place the arrow pointing. Good job. Now, install back the hard disk into the desktop. Next, you may need to unlock the two tabs, or move out the CPU tray. And now, pull out slowly the CPU tray by using the two tabs. Unlock the RAM slot both sides, and remove the RAM from the slot slowly. Now, pick up the correct toolkit, which small brush size 20.5 cm, and use the brush to clean the RAM, with soften the dirt. Keep back the toolkit, at the place arrow pointing. Install back the RAM, into the RAM slot and press it. Now, with the tray respectable, it's time to reinstall CPU tray into the desktop. Next, lock the two tabs. Well done. You successfully done the cleaning. Now, you need to close the desktop by using casing. Last, lock the tab and your desktop will updating new latest cleaning information. Successfully your desktop updated. Now, your desktop improved and performed well compared to earlier. The latest cleaned is on August 2022. Thank you.